Hi, boys and girls. Today we're working again on our Google slide for our Color e-learning day. You've done a lot of work on this Google slide, and now we're just going to do some finishing touches. I went ahead and inserted some extra images onto my Google slide. I've checked the rubric, which I will show you again later, that says I need 8 to 10 images of things that are my e-learning color. So I finished that up yesterday. I have 8 items that are yellow. I also have my yellow background. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the font. The font is the design of the letters or the text on your page. And the first thing we'll need to do is click the text box where our words are. This will let the computer know that we're wanting to change the text. The way you start by changing the text is by highlighting the text you would like to change. The computer won't know which letters you want to change unless you highlight them. You can do this one of 2 ways. You can click, click, click. Watch that again. It's super fast. Touch the text box and go click, click, click. It highlights all the letters I would like to change. Another way to do it is to click within the text box, click right behind the last letter or the first letter, click and drag and let go till all the letters are highlighted. Once you have highlighted the text you would like to change, then you go up to the font area. The font area is right up here. See the word font that pops up when I hover over the word Arial? Right now, my text is the font Arial, and the size is 52. Here's a little trick. Sometimes you want your words to be bigger or smaller, but it's always best to pick your font before you change the size because every font is different. The first thing I'm going to do is change the font. So I click that little drop down arrow and I'm going to go through and try some fonts. You have a lot on your Chromebook. These are some of my favorite. You can tell I use them a lot. So I'm going to try Questrial. That's okay. As long as I leave it highlighted, I can change the font again and it won't pick the wrong words. I'm going to try Ribeye. Ooh, I kind of like that. I'm going to try Happy Monkey. You know what? I'm going to go back to Ribeye. I like Ribeye. Now, I'm okay with the size of that font, but if you wanted to make it bigger or smaller, you could go up to the minus to make it smaller, or click the plus to make it bigger. I'm going to do mine around 54. Then I can click out of the Google slide to check my work. I really like that font. I like the size. Have fun changing the font of your text today of your name, and we'll wrap it up tomorrow by taking a look at the rubric.